Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unboxing for you. Now this comes from Amazon, and it wasn't a huge Amazon box. I already took it out of the Amazon box, threw the box away, and we have this. Alright, so what is in this? I have not opened this yet, but I have been really excited because I know what's in here, I just don't know what they look like. So, this comes from LazyFold Direct store on Amazon. And they were kind enough to send this to me to show to all of y'all. So, I'm very impressed with the box. Because this is diamond painting in here. But it comes in this little box. And I think the box is really pretty. So, they are listed on Amazon. They carry a slew of stuff, y'all. Okay? And they have keychains. They have canvases. They have got coasters. They've got mystery boxes, which the mystery box, some of them are just, you're just going to get a random, you don't know what diamond painting you're going to get. They're just going to pick one and send it to you, which is kind of exciting because you just, you don't know what you're going to get. Then they've also got bookmarks. They've got sun catchers. You name it, y'all, they got it. So, let me find my little box cutter. Where's it at? Oh my. Where is my box cutter? Okay, there it is. All right, so let me get that open there. All right, so now they are dedicated and committed to customer service. So they really value customer service, and that is like their number one thing is customer service. They just, they want everybody to be happy. So on the back of this, it has your directions on how to diamond paint. And then it has, like special remarks. They've got their character purpose. They've got all of the good stuff there. Okay. And then let's open this up. I am so excited. And again, I just want to say thank you to LazyFold Direct for allowing me to show all of this to y'all. Y'all, I'm just jerking this stuff out. What is this? What is this? Oh my. Alright, so here's the drills. I think I might go ahead and look at that before I pull everything out. But look, y'all. Looks almost like a pair of earrings, doesn't it? Nope, it's not earrings. What is it? Should be one more. Yep. Right? No. Where's it at? Where's it at? Should be one more, and it's probably tucked in the box. But isn't that pretty? Sparkly, shiny. Oh my. Little dangles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And like I said, there should be one more in there because this is a 6-pack. But let's look at these drills real quick before I pull this out. Gorgeous. Oh my God, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my. Wow. So pretty. Look at those teardrops. Oh, and then you've got the rounds. Look at that. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? These are just beautiful. Look at that. And then the pearls. Look at them pearls. Yellow. And then we've got blues and pinks. Look at that green. Isn't that pretty? and purple. And then y'all, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Those are black ABs. And then we got some more yellows. And then here's some green ABs. Then we've got some more green. Then we've got some orange and yellow. Oh my, look at them. Look at those crystals. Oh my goodness. And then blues. And then we've got some orange ABs. So we've got like what? 1, 2, 3 ABs in here. Aren't these gorgeous? 3 ABs, some pearls, and then all of these. Oh my. These are just beautiful. All right, so what do these go to? Well, let me show you. Look, told you, there's the sixth one. Okay. We have got feather bookmarks, y'all. These are gorgeous. Now, it comes with one toolkit, and it's just a regular toolkit. It's got the green boat, the square pink wax, and then your pink pen with the single placer. Okay? All right, so on Amazon, this is listed as a 6-piece feather bookmark with crystal pendants. Now, these are on sale right now for $21.95. Plus, they've also got a coupon for 5% off. So, you get an extra 5% off. But then, there's one. Let me move the drills. Alright, so there's one. Look at how pretty these are, y'all. And these are acrylic. They're hard. But look at that. So there's 3. There's 4. This one's all different colors. And look at these. Wow. So you can see already that this one is the one that has these. So unless there's going to be quite a few left over, I think that's the only place you need them. It's just those 2 spots. So they have letters, and we have numbers. So it's 1 through 8, and then it's AB. You've got the letters all the way to U for the rest of them. But isn't that gorgeous? So they have this plastic on them, and and that's thick too. That's a thick plastic, if y'all can see that. But you pull that plastic off, and you do the drilling, and then it has a hole right here that you're going to put these on. And it's not hard to do. You just stick these in here, which might not do until I take that plastic off. But it's very easy. They're very easy to do. You just put your string in there, and then you just take this, stick it inside, and there you go. That's it. And then you stick this part in the book, and then this part dangles outside the book. And you can use these for notebooks, reading books, whatever you want to use them for, actually. So, very, 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 very pretty. And I will definitely do these and then come back on another video and show y'all what these look like, because these are gorgeous. Very, very pretty. And like I said, the stick is really good on these. They're very sticky. Very sticky. And it's very clear. So they look really good, y'all. But yeah, you get 6 of them. And y'all seen these drills. They are gorgeous. So I want to thank LazyFold Direct on Amazon for sending these to me to show to y'all. I am going to leave the link to this in my description box. And y'all please go click on it and go get y'all a set of these before they go back up to full price. Because y'all know how it is. Once something gets popular, then, you know, they're going to raise the prices on them. So, all right, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching, and I hope you enjoy the videos. And please give me a thumbs up. And give me them comments, y'all, because I enjoy reading them. So, until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.